Hi everyone, in this video we're unboxing our Oolong collection. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. Oolong is a diverse category, darker than green tea but lighter than black. It is crafted by allowing tea leaves to partially oxidize after harvest, which means that some oolongs are very light and others can be much darker. We have another video all about oolong tea if you're interested. Just like Bordeaux and Burgundy with French wine, there are 4 traditional regions that produce oolong tea. Each of these regions is known for specific varieties and unique crafting methods. Our Oolong collection contains one tea from each of these regions to give you a better understanding of the category. The first oolong in the box is our Alishan Spring, a classic tea from Taiwan. Crafted from the Qingxin variety, this oolong is lightly oxidized in convection bake, preserving the taste of the fresh tea leaves. When brewed, Alishan is floral, smooth, and slightly vegetal with a refreshing taste. The second oolong in the box is our dark roast Tieguanyin, a traditional style Tieguanyin from Anzi County in southern Fujian province. Even though the dry leaves look similar to Alishan, this tea is more heavily oxidized and roasted longer, resulting in a nuttier taste. Dark roast Tieguanyin is mellow and satisfying with notes of toffee, roasted nuts, and a slightly floral finish. The third oolong is our popular Milanxiang honey orchid. This is a phoenix oolong from northern Guangdong province, and it's renowned for its aromatic and fruity flavor. Milanxiang is produced from a single lineage of tea trees and given a series of gentle roasts. This produces a very complex oolong with notes of lychee and wildflower honey. The final tea in the box is Amber Wuyi, an Wuyi oolong from northern Fujian province. Wuyi oolongs are known for the darkest style of oolong tea, produced with higher oxidation and longer charcoal roasting. Amber Wuyi is crafted from the region's classic Shuixian variety, giving the tea a complex flavor profile. When brewed, this tea has notes of burnt caramel, dry fruit, and whiskey barrels. The recommended brewing method is slightly different for each of these teas and is included on the packaging. For the best taste, we recommend preparing all of these teas in the traditional gongfu method. To learn more about our range of tasting collections, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.